Hi guys, Odeyemi Akinyemi remain my humble name. In this trading system, what do we look out for? First and foremost, the dot appears around the support and resistance region. You might not want to take the dot signal alone, though most of the dots never repainted. It's very good, as in it's very good. But don't trade it alone. If you trade it alone, that won't be a problem. But for you to have nothing less than 70% and above accuracy, I do prefer after the dot, I wait. Most often after the dot, if you look at this area that looks like the RSI, you will see a moving average there. This moving average must be above 100 or below 100 as the case may be. If it is above 100, you should be expecting sell. So after the dot, you notice that this moving average on the RSI is above 100 and getting closer to 200. Then be expecting an arrow after it on the next candle. So as you can see now, there was a double arrow on this very are you seeing this yellow arrow? This yellow arrow was actually carrying double arrow, and it happens before the end of this trade, before the end of this candle where the yellow arrow is. So you should have known that in the next candle you are to trade. So I placed my trade here, and when I did, there was a retracement a little bit up. When that retracement happened, that was when the magenta arrow shifted base. Most often you go into the money. I am not promising that every trade will be ITM, but if you wait for this condition I've just told you, you trade around the support and resistance area. One, you ensure that at least you have double confirmation, two arrows or a dot and an arrow. Then you see that the moving average of the RSI is above 100 or very close to 200. If you are very conservative, wait and let the RSI moving average actually touch the 200. Then you will be on fire. The trade will be on fire. Let's just wait, okay? You know, in binary option trading, mostly it is not over until it is over. The trade was a loss. As it could be seen here, it was a loss. I mistakenly had this trade 2 times. It was a very big mistake, but I'm going to recoup. This was a trade I just took. As you can see, it actually got to the resistance with a dot. Though in the beginning of this video I told you not to trade with just seeing a dot, but because it's my trading system and I know how it works, I actually know the efficacy of the trading system. Because most of the dots mostly don't repaint, mostly they are accurate, but for you to be much more sure, that was why I gave you that, because you need to demo and know what you are doing before you could commit your money. And judging by the RSI moving average, it was just below the line 0, which makes it to be much more non-advisable. It makes it to be much more not advisable. But as I've told you, because it was on a support and I saw a very rigid double support, that was why I traded it. In my first trade, I made a mistake why I traded double. So I just want to recoup. So if I recoup with this first one, the loss will be reduced, and in my subsequent trade, I will be able to recoup the loss and still make some profit for today. I'm going to pause the video and let you guys see how it goes. The result of the trade. So we'll wait for another trading signal. As it is now, it is almost 1 o'clock Nigerian time. and it is not palatable where I am because before I wake up, the best part of the market has moved. I won't kill myself, so I'll just wait for the best time when the US market opens in some minute or an hour time. So, okay, guys, I'm sorry I did not show you when I was picking up this trade. I was busy. This is actually the third winning trade, which means I have had four trades today. I lost the first one and I won the last three trades. Here, the second trade I won that you didn't know, and this is the third trade I just won also. Okay, now three trades won, one loss. I'm going to pick one more trade before you guys with the signal. I hope you guys understand how it works. It's very simple.
Yes, I did. What was her reply to that? She told me she didn't believe it, of course. And that didn't prevent her from seeing him. Yes, all expert agrees with him. On one occasion, he painted a bill gown for the disease. But that's right. The giraffe thought it was so funny he had it in his office right next to her in one. You testified you were never in that office, Mr. Hubble. His representatives wouldn't let you in. How did you know where the painting was hung? You must have seen it there. Less is more. More is more. That's why we built an annual sports book with more. More ways to bet. More ways to fund your account. More ways to cash in. And more ways to cash out. With payouts delivered straight to your bank account in as little as 48 hours. You want more? You got it. Check out the FanDuel Sportsbook. More ways to win. When you're hurt, Margaret, this is what the insurance companies want to pay. This is what we want to get. Call for enrollment today. Well, Mr. Hubble finally got what he wanted. His picture's in every paper in town. Doing it for her. What would you want anyway? You wouldn't buy her as many things as painting twice. Perhaps I could exonerate the cost. I know look elsewhere. You saw Doris from the stand down. Oh, she was still in love with you. That match for Aaron Hubble. You were late if you got out first by calling him a fifth grader. Oh, I felt vanity was his Achilles heel. This is one project. Very hard to translate. That was the fine job you put today. Mr. Berger, you seem almost pleased. Man, then there was an article in the law journal recently living in Portugal in Paraguay. A well-tried criminal case. To credit to all involved, there is no winning or no losing in the true administration of justice. The article was signed Hamilton Berger. Half a month now.
I'm Crystal, by the way.
Welcome.
Good morning. Sue's coming too. the capsules